What's going on, guys? My name is of course Jay, and welcome yourselves back to a brand new video from TechJayUK. In today's video we're going to be unboxing and taking a first look at the brand new on the market Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3. I love the concept of Samsung coming out with these flip and fold high-tech smartphones. Let's get it unboxed and we'll see what this is all about. Just before we get into the video, guys, if you're new around here, please smash that subscribe button. We are so close to 5,000 subscribers. Now that's out the way, let's get on with the video. The Galaxy Z Flip 3 features the 5G network, so really looking forward to testing some of the speeds on that. Here is the handset itself. Now the Galaxy Z Flip 3 starts at $999 in the UK and the US. So just shy of £1,000 or $1,000, and this is considerably cheaper than the Galaxy Z Fold device, and it's also cheaper than the previous flip phone. There's no denying that this is still an expensive phone, but it is coming down in price. It's definitely making its way of becoming more of a mainstream device. We have the cream colour option, and there is quite a few colours that this comes in: cream, phantom black, green and lavender, but there are also Samsung.com exclusive colours of grey, white and pink. Before we take a further look at the actual device itself, let's just see what else you get in the box. Not much at all, guys, but we get the SIM card pin, charging cable and quick start guide and warranty card. I find this design just so cool. Who would have thought that we would be back into flip phones? I definitely wouldn't have dreamt of it at all. I really do like the concept of it, and I think that Samsung are definitely winning in terms of innovation. If you compare it to iPhones and Apple, we're kind of getting the same phone every year with a few little tweaks, but Samsung are really pushing the boat with their Fold and Flip series. In terms of the actual flip part in the middle, I wouldn't actually say it's too noticeable. You can definitely feel a little bump, which is to be expected. Straight off the back, I think this would be perfect for someone who likes to travel minimalistic on the go. This can literally just be popped in your pocket. You're gonna forget that you've even got a phone on you. Whereas other phones, especially like the Fold, a lot larger. Let's just quickly go over some of the main specs of the Galaxy Z Flip 3. As this is just a short first impressions video, I want to keep it short and sweet, and then once I've been using this for a few weeks, I will come back with a full review and a more in-depth look at this device. So the main screen is a gorgeous 6.7 inch dynamic AMOLED screen. Soon as you turn this device on, it's very bright and vibrant. The colours are very vivid. This kind of top bar here doubles up as a screen when it's flipped. This is a 1.9 inch Super AMOLED screen as well. It's really impressive that it's only 183 grams. It's definitely not a heavy device. And this features the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 octa-core processor. Comes in two storage options. So the starting model at $999 is 128 gig, and you can also get it in a 256 gig model. It's packing 8 gig of RAM and a 3300 milliamp battery. In terms of cameras, we have two on the back. The first being a 12 megapixel wide angle lens, and the other one is a 12 megapixel super wide angle, and we have a 10 megapixel front facing camera, USB-C charging, and here is a closer look of the flipping action with the Samsung branding in the middle there. I can't wait to get up and running on the Galaxy Z Flip 3 and find out what it's really like day in, day out as a main phone. There we go, guys, that is the unboxing and the first look of the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3. Please let me know in the comment section what you think of this device. Are you liking this design or not? Smash the like button if you've enjoyed the video and subscribe to the channel for more tech content. I'll definitely be bringing a review of this in the next few weeks once I've had a good time to get used to it and see what it's like. Thanks for watching as always guys, and I'll see you in the next video.